Hi, good afternoon students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to do Feb-March series 2022 paper and we will start with the first task called documentation production. Alright, so now we will start with the task 2, which is documentation. You are going to edit a document for a company. The company uses the corporate house style for all its document. Paragraph style must be created, modified and applied as instructed. Open the file m2221 storage.rft. Okay, to do this I will go to my support file folder. Okay, and what is the file name? Storage. Okay, so we will open the file called storage.rft. all right, yes, enable editing. Yeah, now let's go back to the question paper. Okay, now the page setup is A4 portrait 2 centimeter margin. Do not make any changes to this setting. Okay, so we will keep it as default. 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Do not make any changes to it. Alright, fine. Next, save this document in your work area in the format of the software you are using with the name upgrade. So let us go and save the file, save as, okay, in the confidential file, and change to Microsoft Word and change the name with the upgrade. Okay, upgrade, and save it. Save. Now let's go to the next question. Take a screenshot and show in the document that you save in your work area. So to do this, Control P, you need to click. Now save it. So you can file, okay, save as, click on file, save as, and your suppose source file folder, take a screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Let's go to the next question. Remove any preset page breakup in the document. Okay, so let me check, is there any page breakups? Yeah, so we can see here and delete. All right, anything else can we see here? Yep, so all page breakups are deleted and removed. Okay, now let's go back to the normal. Okay, so now after removing the page breakup, we can able to see the document like this. Next, place in a header your name, center number, candidate number, right align. Okay, to do this, insert header, and that should be right align. Yeah, so I will select this 3 format of header. So delete, and in the last, right side align with your name, ABC, center number, IN 123. Okay, 123, and the candidate number is 1234. Okay, all right, done. Now what we need to paste in the footer? Place in a footer automated page number, center align. Okay, so to do this, insert, okay, page number to the bottom and center align. Done. Next, the header must be right aligned at the page margin and the footer is center aligned between the page margin. No other text or placeholder are included in the header or footer area. Header and footer are displayed on all the pages. Alright, so now double click. Now see, student, you can see here the name, center number, candidate number is right aligned and the footer page number is center aligned and no other page is clearly visible. Now next, okay, now create the following paragraph style. Okay, basing it on the default paragraph style. Okay, so to do this, let me enlarge it so that you can see clearly. Now to do this, I will go to styles. Okay, new style. Now what they are asking us to do, the paragraph style. Okay, so now the paragraph style, so it should be default. So first of all, we need to make the style sheet as a normal. Okay, style based on normal. Next, the paragraph name is title. Okay, paragraph style name is creative following. Okay, so HD title, control C. Okay, now control V. The name of the style is HD title. Serif is Times New Roman and sans serif is Arial. Okay, now next font size is 28. So font size is 28. Okay, 28. So 28. Next, alignment is center. So format, paragraph, and alignment is center. Press OK. Next, bold, enhancement is bold and italic. So I will use bold and italic. Okay, and single line spacing, it should be a single line spacing. So to do that, format, paragraph, spacing is already single. Next, 0, before and after is 0 0, before and after is 0 0, and press OK, and then OK, done. So don't worry, nothing will happen here. So you can just simply select this and apply your TM HD body. Okay, fine. Now, so the new title is been created, HD title. Fine. Take a screenshot evidence to show the setting of your HD title. So here right click and modify. This is your HD title. Take the screenshot and save it in your evidence file. Next. Okay, at the start of the document, enter a title called upgrade your data storage. Okay, at the start of the document, I will just press enter. Okay, and go up and paste the upgrade your data storage. Next, apply the HD title to the text. Okay, so now I will select this, and where is HD title? Here it is. Done. Next, select the subheading. In the question number 6, select the subheading which drives work for you. Where is it? Yeah, here, which drives work for you. Okay, and the following text including the paragraph ending a slimmer drive in 9.5 mm space. Okay, from here till the 9.5 mm space. Okay, so yes, a slimmer drive 9.5. Yes, till here selected. Next, we will go. Yep, so change the page layout so that only the text is displayed in two of equal width with a 1.5 centimeter. So now we need to change the page layout. So we will go to layout, columns, more column, 2 column, and spacing is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, width is 1.5 centimeter, and then press OK. Perfect. Okay, so now this is how we got the detailed page layout setup. Now next, apply the bullet to the text mechanical hardware drives to M2 format SSD. So here mechanical hard drive selected and apply the bullet to it. Done. Next, make sure you use a square bullet. Okay, so you can go here in bullet and select the square bullet. Next, bullet are indent to 1.5 centimeter, left margin, right click, paragraph. Okay, indentation is how much? 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter left margin. Okay, and press OK. Yes. Next, the list is in single spacing with no before and after each line. Okay, so right click, again paragraph, single line spacing, before and after is 0 0, and press OK. Next, after the 6-point space after the last item of the bullet, so I will select the last row of the bullet, right click, paragraph, and after is 6. Okay, after is 6, and then press OK. Right, done. Now next, the paragraph HD subheads already been created and applied to the 6 subheadings. Modify the HD subhead paragraph. Okay, subheads, where is subheads? Here it is. So to modify it, right click, modify. Okay, now let us do the changes. Sheriff Times New Roman. Next, the font size is 12. Font size is 12. Next, alignment is center. Format, paragraph, alignment is center. So now to make it center, yeah, center, and then what next? Press OK. Next is italic, bold, and all capitals. Okay, italic, I will remove the underline. Italic, bold and all capitals. So format, font and all caps, and then press OK. Next, single line spacing before and after is 9. Okay, format, paragraph, single line spacing before is 0, before is 0 point, and after is how much? 9. After is 9, and then press OK, and then OK, done. Now next, what we need to do, okay, if you see here student, by default it is up change. Okay, by default the all subheads is change and adopt the new modified style. Next, take a screenshot evidence showing your modified setting of the HD paragraph style and place in your evidence file. So same thing, right click, modify, and this is how you need to take the screenshot and paste your evidence file. Next, okay, place a text box at the top of the paragraph at start if you can physically upgrade. Where is if you can physically upgrade? Yes, if you can physically upgrade. Okay, so enter, just top of it I'm just putting a text box, insert text box, and here it is done. Okay, now what I have to do next, align the text box to the top of the paragraph and the right margin of the document. Okay, so right margin of the document, yes, done. Now next, the wrap the text so that make sure no text are hidden behind the box. So you, as I told you, always use the square. Next, okay, text wrap is done. Locate the file and place the content of the text box. Format the, we do it HD box paragraph style to make it bold, and make sure the text all are visible and words are not split. Okay, format the text box with light gray background and 3 to 4 point thickness. Student, I would prefer you to just change, do the small minor setting. Okay, first make it as a light gray background and then fill the shape. Okay, and the width is 3 to 4 point. Done. Now what we need to do, we need to put the content of this particular file. Now I will go to my support file folder and M22 extra. Now let me copy this, Control C, and go to your document and select the text, Control V. Okay, done. Now after this, what we need to do, okay, so perfectly fine, we can see here. Okay, now just use the backspace to do the, go back to the normal, okay, setting. Now let me align it properly. Yes, perfectly fine. Next, it may look like this. So yes, perfectly it is look like this only. Next, okay, do they ask us to bold? Okay, make the style and make it bold. HD, format the text as HD body paragraph style and make it bold. Okay, so the text which is there, I'm going to apply HD body paragraph. Where is HD body? Yeah, HD paragraph, and make it bold. Control B. Then okay, make sure all text are visible. Yes, perfectly fine. Next, locate the table in the document and set 1 point black internal and external grid line. Where is the table? Here is the table. So now I will select this table. Okay, and we will go to border and shading. Okay, and internal, okay, internal and external grid line. Okay, now press OK. Perfect. Next, delete the entire column content of headings, okay, which is notes. Okay, where is notes? Here it is. So I will select this complete column, and students, what you need to do, right click and delete the column. Done. Next, what I have to do, apply the HD table paragraph style to all the data. Okay, so let me select all and HD table. Perfect. Done. Next, set the table width is 15.5 centimeter. Okay, right click table property, and we will go to the column. Okay, width is how much? 15 centimeter. Okay, the overall table width is, okay, where is the preferred width is 15 centimeter, okay, centimeter 15, or else, yeah, 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and then press OK. Perfect. Next, what we need to do, set the table with 15 centimeter. Done. Now create the table within the page margin. Okay, so to do this, what I'm going to do here is, okay, so I would like to go here. Let's go to the table, and it should be words are not split line, and when the text is wrapped, and all grid lines are displayed. Okay, so center the table. Okay, let me select the table and click it to center align. Perfectly fine. Now within the page margin, yes, the words are not split. Let me check. Is some anything is splitting here? Okay. All right. Now next, the the words are not split over the line when the text is wrapped. Okay, yes, it is already wrapped and there is nothing is, okay, change. Next, to do this task, there is a 6 point after space the table after the table. So to do it, okay, so select that paragraph and go to paragraph and make it 6 points, okay, and then make this as a 0 and then press OK. So now you can see the 6 point spacing. Yeah, so done. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, so now in the next question, import the image M2225 1.ssd and place in the paragraph begin with M2 M.2 format effectively and rotate the image to 180 degree. Okay, all right, so where is the M2.5 effectively? Yeah, here it is. So M2.5 effectively, I click here and we'll go to insert and we will go to picture. Okay, from our support file folder, yeah, this is the image and insert it. Wow. Okay, now rotate it 180 degree. So right click and size and position, rotation should be 180 degree and then press OK. Done. Next, it is resized to half of the column width. Okay, so let us make the column width is half. Right click, sizing and positioning, width is 3.05, so let me make it 1.5 and then press OK. Perfect. Next, okay, it is align the right column at the top of the paragraph starting at M2 format effectively. So, and do we have to do the text wrap? Yes, around the image. So now to text wrap first and then we will bring it down to the perfect. Okay, so now this is how it look like. Now next, is there anything else? Nothing. Spell check and proofread of the document. Okay, as I told you, we need to use in few computer system you can use fn plus f7 command. Okay, so now here let us do some minor changes. Okay, ignore once and check it is yes, change disk spelling mistake, must smooth spelling mistake, here similarity and far and solid state drive and 2.5 inches. Okay, and then g bytes. Okay, 32 gigabits, so ignore once. Yeah, this is correct, this is also correct, ignore once and then spell check and it's done. Now next, what? Okay, the list and table are not split over the column, so let me check. Yeah, so yes, it is not splitting at all. Next, okay, there is no widows and orphans, so right click, okay, go to paragraph and check is there any widows and orphans are there. No, so no widows and no orphans, press okay. Next, there is no blank page, there is no blank page. Next, the paragraph style must be applied. Yes, we successfully applied all the paragraph styles and there is a 6 point after space after the table, so we just adjust the table so that it is aligned and this is the 6-point spacing after the table and the bullet point. Save your document. Okay, save and then print the document. All right, so anything else? Nothing. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.